Hello and welcome to Brickworks Discovery Series. In this episode, we talk to one of our leading project builders about building a brick home, the process and choices to be considered.
A realistic budget is the key element. Allow for unexpected costs, including interior finishes and landscaping. Consider your lifestyle, what you require from a home. A good starting point is the size of your land, but paramount to this is the style of your home, the facade or the curb appeal. Many project home builders have selection centres where the professional colour consultants will advise clients regarding the blending of the external colour finishes and materials to complement their brick selections. External sample finishes, for instance brick facings, in conjunction with sample roof finishes, fascia gutter trims, window finishes and paint brush ups are all freely available to clients. The choice of your brick will determine the style and the facade of your home. The brick texture and the colour add character, charm and individuality. With a well-designed and eye-catching colour scheme to enhance the facade, and perhaps the use of an accent brick will make a facade statement. For a bolder look, a contrast dark brick with off-white mortar, white render and timber accents is very on trend. Brick trends or styles are often a reflection of the fashion world. Dark, monotone, smooth bricks are popular for contemporary styles. Brick texture is another major trend, with polished, metallic or glazed finishes. Low maintenance is the key to using brick. Brick offers lasting value, with proven superior protection over other wall claddings. Bricks are fire protectant, high wind repellent, naturally energy efficient, look better for longer, with less maintenance than any other building material. Bricks are the most sustainable green building material made. Even though bricks are the oldest building material, bricks today offer the opportunity to make an ever-evolving fashion statement. And a house built of bricks has a future. By building in brick, you have a home that is good for you and a home that is good for the environment.
For more information and inspiration, visit homebybrickworks.com.au and work through all our free information and tools to help you build your dream with brick.